This procedure has made my life so much easier, and this has been the most wonderful experience. My name is Ruth, and I recently had a full arch restoration here at Gatos Oral and Facial Surgery. I decided to get this procedure done because I was so tired of my partial. It wasn't fitting correctly. So this was the most wonderful thing. The technology here has been fantastic. The scans are so easy and it's more advanced than most offices. The best part was that I went home that evening with a temporary lower, and that was amazing. If somebody is looking for a full arch restoration, I highly recommend Gatos Oral and Facial Surgery. It changed my life.